AI is transforming the field of human resources, revolutionizing the way organizations manage their workforce, recruit talent, and enhance employee experiences. By leveraging AI technologies, human resource departments can streamline processes, make data-driven decisions, and create more efficient and inclusive work environments. One significant application of AI in human resources is in talent acquisition and recruitment. AI-powered algorithms can analyze resumes, job applications, and social media profiles to identify qualified candidates who best match the job requirements. These algorithms can save time, reduce bias, and improve the efficiency of the hiring process. AI chatbots and virtual assistants are being used in human resources to provide instant support and answer employees' frequently asked questions. These intelligent systems can assist with inquiries related to leave requests, benefits, company policies, and career development. By automating routine tasks, HR chatbots free up HR professionals' time, allowing them to focus on strategic initiatives and employee engagement. AI algorithms can analyze employee data and patterns to identify potential attrition risks and employee satisfaction levels. This helps HR departments proactively address employee concerns, improve retention rates, and foster a positive work environment. AI-powered sentiment analysis can also gauge employee sentiment through surveys, feedback, and social media monitoring, providing valuable insights into employee experiences and engagement. Performance management is another area where AI is making an impact. AI-powered systems can track employee performance, provide real-time feedback, and offer personalized development recommendations. These systems enable fair and objective evaluations, identify skill gaps, and facilitate continuous learning and growth for employees. AI-driven analytics help HR professionals gain insights from large volumes of data, enabling evidence-based decision-making. By analyzing employee data, AI algorithms can identify patterns, trends, and correlations related to employee productivity, engagement, and well-being. This information helps HR departments design effective strategies for talent development, performance improvement, and employee retention. In our upcoming videos, we will explore advanced AI applications in HR, such as AI-enabled employee engagement platforms, AI-powered talent management systems, and AI-driven diversity and inclusion initiatives. Join us as we dive deeper into the transformative potential of AI in human resources.